incredible winter still here in Indiana, even though almost end the season and spring coming soon, but you can feel the air still really dry sometimes. And as you always use like the heater inside of the house, and plus if you outside the air still really dry, that gonna dry your skin very quickly. Dry air also bothers so much to people who has sinuses and gonna crack your lips, will irritate your throat, also make your eyes itchy. And to fix all of that problem, we will need humidifier. That's what I'm gonna show you now. So here I am now already with my new humidifier. So this humidifier is from YOKEKON. Let's unboxing. Big one. I forget to mention also, I already set up 20 liter or around 5 gallons of distilled water. As a liquid, we're gonna put at this humidifier later. First is these ribbons and cables and manual users. Pretty. Here's the instruction. Don't add water to the mist outlet. Take out manual from bottom. Okay, I'm ready. And then precaution, need to wait 40 to 60 seconds to the first use to generate mist. And you can feel free always email the customer service there. This is the very top part. And this is what is in the inside. This is for the top. Everything else. And make sure you take out everything from here. They also put everything here. Sponge for cleaning. And this is the cable. And then the remote control. Also a user manual. So this is at the very bottom is a casters, and then water tank itself, and over here is water fuel port, so you can see how high the water left. And this is the main body of the humidifier. Also water pump and water pipe. This is the black thingy, is a water pump ready to put in here. And the tank and the water display and the cover. This is the tank handle. It's on the side. And at the back is the safety drainage holes and power input. And we're gonna put the misting tube plus the misting nozzles. Okay. Can play around with this. Nice. You're gonna put the power input here. Before you put water, make sure you take off this, the black thingy on the very top. So here's the details of the main body of this humidifier. Here's the water outlet, water overflow port right here. Here is atomizers. Here is UV lamp, and the float is in here. The fan outlet is in here. Before operating, we need to put water here, and then you have to take out the lids. Okay guys, so to fill the water is in here, from here, not this hole. Until full, no more than maximum. Okay, after you fill out the water, no more than maximum water here, and you put back the lids, 5, Alrighty, let's connect with the power over there. And the position, it should be horizontal and at least 50 centimeters away from the wall and furniture, furnace, also household appliances. Okay, let's operate this. First thing is touch the power button. We will set 75 here. It will stop automatically. Very nice. Here's the sleep button. Also has a timer. The UV button is to turn on and off the sterilization. The hours is until 12 hours and then 0. I use this remote control, so make sure to take off plastic here covering the battery. 0. Let's turn off. Okay, and again. It's kind of cool, right? It's 85. Looks very pretty too in our room. YOKEKON humidifiers for large room home up to 2000 square feet, also self-cleaning, quiet, best humidifiers for bedroom, large room, plants growing, yoga, greenhouse, warehouse, etc. I love so much these humidifiers, guys. This humidifier is very smart, have everything menu in it, from humidity, sleep, and minimum and maximum, timer, and UV for extra protection. Also, this humidifier is ultrasonic type of humidifier, so it's very smart appliances. I highly recommend it for you. My home is more comfortable and make me healthier. It is also make my furniture and anything else is safe. So if you're interested, I will put the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.